Okay, so Tigardium has a half-life of 8.34 seconds. Right, so that means our decay probability is the natural log of 2 divided by 8.34. Right, very, very capricious stuff. So natural log of 2 divided by... Okay, so our decay probability is 0.083 and a bunch of ones, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and that's per second. And I'm going to store that in my variable a just for fun, right? Okay, and then this is our original activity, okay? This is the final activity, right? Now, rather than deal with activity, I'm just going to say that this is how much stuff we've got to begin with, and that's how much stuff I end with, right? I'm going to say end. The amount now is equal to the amount to begin with, e to the minus lambda t, right? And now let's just solve this for t, right? So n over n naught, the natural log of that, right, is equal to e to the, whoops, the e goes away, right? It goes minus lambda t, right? And then I think we can divide by minus lambda. And we've got the time, right? Okay. So now we're all set. We can just go, we can plug the numbers in here. The natural log of 125. Notice that technically speaking, this is like activity and the original activity. It doesn't matter. You can just plug them in, okay? Right? I mean, you can make these harder and you can make them easier, right? Divided by 0.083 and a bunch of ones. Okay, so natural log, and then, oh, that's negative, right? So natural log of 125 divided by 1350 divided by negative alpha a is where I stored that guy. And I get 28.63 seconds, which with 3 sig figs, I guess we'd say this, right? Okay. So that's way number one, and then now should we cheat? Let's cheat. Okay. So here's what we know. We know that 1350 times 2 to the t divided by 8.34 negative equals 125, right? And then you can, yeah. It's like, is that easier? I don't think that's easier. Is that easier? Not easier. But you can solve it this way too. This is the setup.